So your Louis Vuitton sunglasses come in this really, really nice packaging, all tied up in a bow. With your sunglasses, you do get a note from the manufacturer, as well as a microfiber cloth bag that you can store your glasses in or clean the lenses with. You also receive this pretty sweet hard case. I like how the brand opted to do something more creative or more in keeping with the house. So instead of a generic looking case, it looks like a little mini travel trunk. Pretty awesome. You got a plush, velvety interior, as well as a magnetic closure. And here are the sunglasses. Now these guys definitely are a fresh, fun twist on an old classic. The style takes its inspiration from a Ray-Ban Wayfarer. However, there's something very modern, but also retro feeling about these guys. The color-blocked temples give these guys a fresh burst of color, making them perfect for summer. So the lenses you get with these guys are a flat lens. There's little to no curvature to them. They are dark gray and non-polarized. Alright, so let's go over the measurements. The lens width is 52 millimeters. The nose bridge is 19 millimeters. And then the temples measure out 150 millimeters long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on.